everyone, I am back. Today I thought I would share with you my eclectic collection of patterns. I have them in a stack to the right of me, and I'll show you them in a minute, starting with the one that I'm holding. But to give you a little bit of background, where I am, there is no Hobby Lobby or Joann's to run to get patterns during sales time. So most of these patterns were either ordered online or gifted to me. The stack that I have is what I would consider mostly vintage, going back to the 1990s. There are no modern styles because of what I just mentioned before. But this stack has served me well. I have been able to make tops from it, blouses, jackets, shirts. I've also been able to make bottoms like shorts, skirts and pants, and both for ladies, men, and children. And then, because of what I've learned from using these patterns, I have been able to draft a few for myself and designs for myself as well. So let's begin. The first one here is Easy Stitch and Save pattern number 2463, and it features a dress and a jacket. The dress is midi length, sleeveless, and the jacket is long sleeve with no collar. So this is a fairly nice pattern. If you're wanting to make a maxi dress, you could extend the length. So that's the Easy Stitch and Save 2463. The next one is Simplicity, and this is Simplicity 1467, and there are 4 options here. You have the jacket, the top, skirt, and a pants. So this is a versatile pattern. I have made this jacket before. It has a peplum style at the bottom, and for those of you who don't like colors on your jacket, this is a nice flat color jacket. And of course you have the other patterns that they regard as so stylish here. So that's Simplicity 1467. The next one is an Easy Stitch and Save pattern number 4206. So this one is suitable when you want to make those office wear skirts, straight and on the bias, and it features a long sleeve jacket. So that's Easy Stitch and Save 4206. The next pattern is Simplicity 3506, and this one is really a collection pattern because it has so many options here. As you can see, you have the top, the jacket, the pants, the tie, the dress, the skirt, and so on. I think that's it. These are a repeat here, and that is a repeat there. So this, you can make a full wardrobe collection from. Pattern Simplicity 3506. Next pattern is a Butterick toddler or babies pattern number 3782, and this is if you're into making something for kids, toddlers. There's a dress, a hat, a jacket, and panties. So this is quite a collection for you to make a full set for your toddler kids. So it's a butter pattern. Here we have Simplicity 1324. This Simplicity pattern features a jacket, a top, a skirt, and a pants. And there's a contrast. You can use contrast materials for your skirt and your jacket. So this one is quite versatile as well. Simplicity 1324. The next one is Simplicity 1431. And again, we have a full wardrobe range here. A dress, a top, a pants, and a skirt. Here we have Simplicity 2249. This features a dress, a top, and a skirt. The dress is can be short sleeve or 3/4 sleeve here. So that's Simplicity 2249. The next one is Simplicity again, 2917, and we have a sleeveless dress, 3/4 sleeve dress, a skirt, and a top. I have made the top before, I believe, and this is Simplicity 2917. Next we have another kids pattern, and this is New Look 6296. Again, a range of options in here. You have the dress, the top, an asymmetrical top with a little curve pattern here, and shorts. So this is quite handy for you to make casual kids wear, and I have made this for my granddaughter before. I have a video featuring this. Nice top and pattern out of knit fabric, all in one. I did it in the same pattern. So this is a good one, and it's the size in this particular one runs all the way up from size 3 to 14. So it's not only kids, you can use it for tweens as well. So that's New Look pattern 6296. Here we have Simplicity 2372. Again, with many options for a dress, a top, a pants, and a skirt, and a jacket. I have made the top before, if you see, in one of my videos already before. So this is Simplicity 2372. The next pattern that we have is Simplicity 1255, and this features a top, a pants, and a skirt. So that's Simplicity 1255. Here's a favorite, Mimi G pattern 1167 Simplicity, which has her top and her pants, jeans, and shorts. So this is a favorite back in the day, still is, Simplicity 1167. And then we have another Mimi G simplicity pattern number 8222. We have jacket, pants, and top. So that's simplicity 8222. Seem to have a lot more simplicity. Here's another one, simplicity 2255. This one is a special favorite of mine. It's a ladies shirt pattern, very easy to make. A tunic, shorter top, sleeveless with sleeves, with a ruffle top around the neck, flat collar. And I love this. This is easy to make and put on with jeans and step out. So that's simplicity 2255. Another simplicity, this time for the men's, simplicity 1544, men's shirt. I haven't made this as yet. I did make my own draft for a casual men's shirt, but I haven't tried this out as yet. And this has different variations. Yoke at the top, double pockets, no pockets, single pockets. So this is a good men's pattern to have in your stack. Simplicity 1544. This one, I recently made some hat pattern videos, and this is Easy Stitch and Save M9261. I did view E with the visor and view F with the tie at the back. So this is a nice hat pattern to have in your stash. Another kids pattern, Easy Stitch and Save M9120. A top for a little girl, shorts, and a midi pants. So these will be cute for any little girl to wear. Here we have Easy Stitch and Save again, M9318, and these are tops only, A and B. These doesn't include the pants, just the tops. So very easy, as it says. We have another simplicity here, simplicity 8302, featuring a long jacket, a pants, and a dress, and a top as well. So most of these, as I said, are very versatile. There are about 4 to 5 options in quite a few of these patterns. And another simplicity again, simplicity 2189. This one has loads of patterns in here. There's a casual pants, there's a sleeveless top, there's a jacket, a dress as well. So this is another good one to have, simplicity 2189 for the wardrobe. And last but not least is a simplicity bag pattern. It's simplicity 8028, and it features a clutch, I think is in there. Here's a clutch, another one up here, and some other bag patterns with straps. So this is quite handy pattern to use. So there you have it. That's my collection, and this is the collection that has taught me well. Hope you enjoyed watching, and thanks for being here. Bye.